Welcome to Getting Started, connectivity in 5 minutes or less. For this video, you'll need a few things: Kepware Server installed, a list of tag details from your device, and the IP address of the device you want to connect to. Let's get started. No matter what device you're connecting to, the process will follow 3 simple steps. Create a channel, create a device, and add tags. First, click here to add a channel and select the appropriate driver. This tells Kepware how to communicate with your device. In this example, we'll connect to a Modbus device using Modbus TCP. Once selected, click Next through the configuration steps until you reach Finish and the window closes. Next, add a device to the channel. These settings define details such as the device's IP address and model. Note, Kepware allows users to configure a wide range of driver parameters. For most applications, the default settings are sufficient. If your device requires specific adjustments, refer to the help file for guidance. If you need additional assistance, contact us to schedule a working session with our solutions consulting team. The final step is to add tags. Tags provide the addressing details needed to read data points from the device. There are a few ways to do this. The first way is to manually add a tag by giving it a name within Kepware and associating it with the device's tag address. In this PLC, address 40,100 represents the flow rate and is a 32-bit floating point value. So we'll name the tag flow rate, type in the address, and set the data type. Note, the address syntax and data type may vary depending on the driver you're using and how it's configured. Another option is to import a CSV file containing the device's tag database. This file can often be exported from the PLC programming software and adapted for use in Kepware. A third method, available for some devices, is to use the automatic tag generation feature. This automatically imports the tags from the device or from its project file, building a tag structure that reflects the data point definitions in the PLC. In this example, we'll connect to an Allen Bradley Control Logics PLC and import all the tags found within the PLC program. Now, if we look at the event log, we can see that the tags were successfully imported. And on the right, we can view details about each tag in the Detail View window. Finally, let's confirm that the driver configuration is valid. To do this, return to the Modbus channel and open Quick Client by right-clicking on the device and selecting Launch Quick Client here. This tool establishes a local OPC connection to Kepware and displays live data. That's it! You successfully connected your first device in Kepware and verified live data communication.